if you are the plaintiff, you're the injured party, the insurance company is not fighting for you. The insurance company is fighting for the defendant. The insurance company is fighting for that person who actually hit you, had the property that you didn't, and they didn't maintain it, so you, of course, unfortunately, you fell. That's who the insurance company is taking care of. They're not taking care of the injured party. So, again, you're now back to being the little guy without representation. Absolutely, you need to go ahead and hire a personal injury attorney who's going to understand how to move this case along, because it can be a long process, but it's long normally because you're in treatment. We want to make sure that when we go to court, because you only have one shot, that everything that you've suffered, so sometimes when you're in treatment you don't realize the extent of your injuries, and that's why these cases can't go into court right away. So that's kind of the reason for the length of time, but no one is trying to drag a case on forever. That I can guarantee.
I think that the Cochran legacy is to allow people who are injured, regardless of the extent of their injuries, their day in court. And what is considered to be, in some people's mind, a minor injury is not a minor injury to the person who is actually experiencing that injury. And until you walk in somebody else's shoes, you don't know exactly how bad or harmed they are. And if you are injured in any fashion at all, you have the right to redress, okay? If it's to fix a broken nail on your hand, or it's years of hospitalization and nursing care, or other care that you might need, regardless of the severity of the injury, if it's caused because someone else wasn't careful and they were negligent, then they have a responsibility to compensate you for that loss. The misconception that insurance companies are on your side is exactly that, a misconception. They are there for the profit. They are money-making machines. They have stockholders, and they are in desperate activity to hold their money as long as they can possibly do so. We as lawyers are equipped to fight that, whether it's in a courtroom, and also many cases don't even reach the courtroom. Sometimes they will settle out of court without a long, drawn-out battle. But what we try to do here at Cochran is to make sure that everybody gets fair compensation for the injuries that they suffered and for the harm that they suffered. And that's one of the things that we're proud of.